Yeah, we are installing the 360-degree camera for this new X1 with ID 8. Okay. See this is the original mirror button. Yeah, there's no camera over here. Later the front camera will be installed here. Okay. Yeah. The parts is over here. So the module is already installed inside the car. Okay. Let me show you the module. Okay, it's over there. Can you see it? Hey, sorry. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay. No? Oh yeah. Oh yes. Okay, good. Yeah, that's the one. Good. Actually, we will replace his low spec USS module. 那个低配模块在哪里？Yeah, this one. Okay, this is the one we will replace it. So actually, the module is mounting at that position. It's like this way. So remove this and install the new one. Okay. Yeah. This is the new camera. Okay. Like this way. This is the front camera. Yeah. The rear camera. 手机装好了。让我看一眼。Yeah. There was one old reverse camera, and this is a newly installed one. On my hand, this is old rear view camera. It looks like this. Yeah, it's pure aluminum, very light. And the connector is, you see, it's similar to the previous generation. But this one only one pin and one ground. So coaxial cable. This is old, this is the new. Yeah, they looking maybe from the face looking exactly same, but the connection is different. The wiring goes into the car to the module. Yeah. Then all these parking sensor, all the 12 parking sensors was connected to the USS module, and now connects to the new module. I will give you a group photo of the whole parts needed in the end of this video. Yeah, this is a rear view camera mounting from the trunk lid, go inside, then go to this one. Yeah, we will seal it. Yeah, then goes to this hole, then go inside the car. Okay. Now it's still outside. So we will use this needle type things, go through to the car front. Yeah, we are mounting the camera into the mirror. See, this is the factory one without the camera hole. This is also the other side. Yeah. This is the one with the camera. Yeah, this one is mounted. You see, right? Using back the cover, the mirror glass, the signal light. Only change the whole arm and the bottom cover. camera is mounted. Yeah, underneath here. See? Okay.
Later I said, later when we okay, we can
Oh, that's amazing.
remote camera.
Yeah. This is really the best one.
Yeah, it's like the Tesla one.
Yeah. You can check anytime.
Yeah.
Show me. Roll the camera.
Wait.
Yes. Wow.
But it's still limited view because
Yeah, we are still doing now.
yeah.
Okay,
front,
good.
the front don't have it.
Okay.
The pre-mark already. Remove.
Yeah. Remove this, right? Then mount this one, right?
Yep.
So no need to gel now.
No need.
Yeah.
Last time like
So
that.
it fit perfect. Yeah. Now this is the front camera we mounted. Yeah. Yeah. The wiring will come in from that hole. You see? Yeah, this one. Okay. Lah, boleh dah. Mas, dah tahu. Lah. 继续啦。Okay. Yeah, enough lah.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I think.
No need. Later. Yeah. You will mount the below first. The 360-degree camera mounted.
帮我打开一下那边，
啊，
开着往旁边那个。
对，我知道。The camera looks like this way, okay? From this angle, and from this angle, this is the original one. Yeah. The front also can.
Can.